Hi everyone, just a quick video from me today just to let you know about my February offer in my Stampin' Up shop. So for anybody that shops with me in the month of February 2021, if you spend over £35 before postage and packing, I will send you a free stamping pierce mat in March. You have to use this host code. If you don't put this host code into the coupon code box at checkout, even if you spend the qualifying spend, unfortunately I can't send you the stamping pierce mat. Okay, if you don't know what a stamping pierce mat is, I'll just show you. Okay, so here it is, and it's available in our current annual catalogue. It's not the most exciting of products, but it is very useful. So for instance, if you have any of our photopolymer stamps, which are the clear stamps, these stamps don't have any inbuilt cushioning at all. So you need some kind of spongy surface underneath your card or paper that you're stamping on to get a really good result. And if I show you one of our red rubber stamps, which have the inbuilt cushioning, you might be able to see, I'll try and zoom in, but you might be able to see the difference. So this one here has the inbuilt cushioning and doesn't necessarily need the mat, but it's a good idea maybe to use it. You'll have seen me use it in lots of my videos. This one here, you'll get a far crisper stamped impression if you do use the stamping pierce mat. So how I use mine, just to keep it clean and tidy. I mean, you can use it for paper piercing. So if you want to, if you've got our paper piercing tool, which looks like this, you can, get your card and pierce some patterns in it into this mat. But in the main, I normally use it for stamping. So basically I just get a piece of plain white copy paper and I wrap it around the mat and then I secure it on the back with some tape. And this just helps to keep the actual pierce mat clean, and then you can, when this gets grubby, you can tear this off and start again. So I've got this card here that I've made and I just want to decorate an envelope to go with it. So I'm going to use the Darling Donkeys, which is a free set that you can get in the month of February if you shop with me with a £45 or more spend. You can choose this as your free item. I'm just going to ink this up and then I'm going to stamp on the corner of the envelope that I'm going to stamp off, and that's why I've got the scrap paper on the mat. So I'm just literally going to stamp like so. Use the scrap paper for the overstamp area, and then I've now got a matching card and an envelope to pop into the post. So just to remind you, shop with me in my Stampin' Up shop here at applelover53.stampinup.net, or go to my website applelover53.co.uk. There's a shop 24/7 button at the top of the page, or go to the shop tab and scroll down to Stampin' Up. So there's lots of ways to get to my Stampin' Up shop. Choose the items that you wish to buy that value £35 or more before postage and packing. And when you go to the checkout, put this code in. And then at the end of February, I'll go through all my reports. I'll look for all the customers that spent over the qualifying spend and look for all the customers that use the host code. Once I find all that information, I'll then know how many stamping pierce mats I need to order. I will order them in March and get them sent out in the post to you as soon as I receive them. So that's my February offer in my Stampin' Up shop. While I'm here, I just want to let you know or give you a reminder about the quilt along. So my Apple Lover 53 quilt along starts on the 23rd of February. I'm going to be making 1 block a month. There's a place on my forum, again, which you can get to from my website, and it does say quilt along, and there's a section on there that tells you all the products that you're going to need if you're going to follow the quilt along. There's also a section where you can post photographs monthly of the blocks that you've completed. Maker Superstore have kindly put together a couple of packages together dependent on whether you've got an SDX machine or a CM model machine. And again, there are links and information on the forum how to get to these product bundles, and they're also giving a further 10% discount if you purchase the bundle. You have to use the code AppleLover at checkout to get that extra discount. So that's 2 offers that I've got running at the moment. The qualifying spend to get the Stampin' Pierce mat, which runs for the month of February, and you have to use this code through my Stampin' Up shop. And then secondly, if you are not already a member of my forum, go to applelover53.co.uk, click on the forum, click sign up. Once you are approved, you will then be able to get access to the forum, and you can look at all the information that's in there and see the things that people have been posting so far. It is a very new forum. It's only been launched in the last couple of weeks. As I say, the quilt along, there is a quilt along section that tells you all about the quilt along. So that's all I wanted to let you know about today. I hope you found that helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. YouTube are telling me that quite a large percentage of people that watch my videos are not actually subscribed. I am trying to get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so if you are one of those people that watches my videos regularly and you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, select all for notifications, and YouTube will let you know when I post my video content, and they will also let you know when I do my YouTube lives. Thanks for now. Speak to you soon.